short introduction of yourself. Also talk about your current role and current employer name. Hi, I'm Shefali and I work as an IT support engineer trainee at Fortray Global Services London. How Fortray has marketed your profile and helped you get interviews and what helped you clear the real interview. Fortray helped me in marketing my profile on various job platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Reed, etc. Due to which I got many calls and Fortray did help me in preparing for those interviews and finally, landing me a job in a reputed IT company. Share your challenges and Fortray helped you overcome them. Yes, I faced few challenges in the starting of my journey there, but Fortray was always there throughout the journey and guided me to improve upon my interpersonal skills and technical skills and helped me in understanding the IT support role. Would you recommend Fortray services to others? Why? Yes, I would definitely recommend Fortray services to others. Whosoever want to start their career in IT field can definitely join Fortray Global Services London.